Oh, look, precious.
This is Halloween 1988. I can't see David. Oh, this isn't the class yet.
Oh, look at G.I. Joe's.
There's the witch. Oh, let's see where David is.
There's David.
Where?
Look, he's coming with,
Who's he walking with?
William, honey.
Oh, yeah. David and William. No, this way, guys. This way. This way.
Walk right down the sidewalk.
This way.
Hi. Oh, David. No, I didn't even see.
Right here. Oh, that car's going to mess us up. Oh, yeah, probably the little girl there in the green. There's the mermaid. It's a long,
Stop for a minute.
Let me take a picture, guys. Stop 1 second. Yeah. Wave.
Oh, look at that. I got to get these kids.
Oh, look at all of them. They look so nice.
Look at that. How pretty.
Michael is in the hand.
Wave, everybody. Give everybody a big wave.
Is a pumpkin, and pumpkins are orange. A pumpkin is a pumpkin, a pumpkin is a pumpkin. A pumpkin is a pumpkin, and pumpkins are round. Oh, a pumpkin, a pumpkin is
Mom takes a knife and cuts 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth. Then a pumpkin, not a pumpkin, a pumpkin, not a pumpkin, a pumpkin, not a pumpkin.
William, can you wave to me? Oh, that's a good boy. Okay, go ahead in the classroom, sweetheart. Get your stuff.
No, I kept going, so I was up until like 1:45 or 4. Last night I had to finish it. Yeah, it was 2 o'clock by the time I went to bed. I had a meeting at Aaron's house. I went to Jim's.
Michael is trying to kill an ant.
And got home and
Tommy and Nick.
Oh, he missed it. Oh, he missed it. Oh, he got it.
Did you get it? Look, Michael.
Oh, you look so handsome. Did you bring all your stuff?
I made a picture for you.
Oh, thank you. Is he an astronaut? William, I can't see your face. He has so much stuff.
Yeah, he's got a bee.
Michael. Wait a minute, Michael.
Look here, Michael. Michael, look, smile. Michael, look. Look over here at Grandma. Look, Michael. Look, Mike. Hey there. Oh, Michael.
Just get the others, Mom.
Go back, because you hold Grandma's keys right here for Grandma. You hold Mama's keys?
You know, I went in.
Stop, look at Mom.
Turn around and say hi. Say hi, Grandma Perta.
Say hi, Grandma Perta.
Hi, Grandma Perta and Papito. Say we love you.